So this is less than. We go to greater than or equal to. This is greater than or equal. Then lastly, we have less than or equal. These are the same things that we did in maths back then. Only that here now we are taking them in PHP. I'll start explaining one by one. For equal, if I say variable A is assigned value 5, variable B is assigned. So here, one is string because it's put in quotes and the other one is integer. These two, they are equal, but they don't belong to same data type. 5 is equal to 5. Equal variable A equal variable B. So here what it will be doing, it will be comparing. So here it will either return true if these variable A and B are equal, and will return false if they are not equal. Here we are expecting to see true because 5 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. Only that they have different data type. Because this 5, we know it's a whole number. A whole number is not put in quotes. But this one, we know it's a string. A string, we said, it's a mixture of letter of alphabets, symbols, and underscores. We are expecting to see true because they are equal. Based on being same value, because value is 5, but they are different. Let's break also. Do another example. We say variable A is assigned value 10. Variable B is assigned value 5. Then we equal variable A equal variable B. These two variables are not equal because one is 10, the other one is 5. So it will return false. Reason being, the values are not equal. Values differ. We come to another example. Skipping lines doesn't have any effect for the sake of arranging your work. A is assigned value Jane. Variable B is assigned value Tom. Echo variable A equal variable B. We can go to the browser and see what we will be having. You see, we are having one. Returns nothing. And when it's true, returns 1. So it's only this one which is equal, true. We have a single one which is true, but this one is false. They are not equal. A and B are not equal. Then A and B are not equal. Jane cannot be equal to Tom. We put here still the name Jane. You see, we are having this one, meaning it's true. Jane is equals to Jane. We go to identical. Values must be equal and of same data types. An example, if we have variable A equals to 5, We repeat the example above, and variable B assigned value 5 echo variable A is identical variable B. So if they are not here, we are expecting to see false. Reason being integer versus string. Integer versus string. So they can't be identical. Reason, this one is a string, this one is an integer. Variable A is assigned value 5 and variable B assigned value 5. Then we echo variable A is identical to variable B. We are expecting the answer to be true. Reason being, they are of the same data type, that is, they are all integers and they have same values. So with that is example of identical data types. You see, only one. That one. It's for this here, which is true. This is false. Let me go to not equal. Not equal. Here we talk of example variable A is assigned value 5. Then variable B is assigned value 6. Then we say echo variable A not equal to variable B. Here we are expecting to find the answer as true. The answer will be true. Reason, they are not equal. 5 and 6 are two different things. The answer is true. If we come to our browser, we will see true. It has added one there, meaning we had no break. We need a break somewhere here. Then we come to not identical. Not identical. We use same variable. For not identical, it's the opposite of identical. We are talking of identical. A is identical to B, true or false. So same case here, not identical. Now we are confirming, is those variables not identical? So variable A assigned value 5 and variable B assigned string 5. Then we say variable A not identical to variable B. So here I'm expecting the answer to be true. Reason, these two are not identical. This one is an integer, this one is a string, so they are not identical. They have same values, but they are of different data types. Then we come to greater than. So variable A is assigned value 5 and variable B is assigned value 6. Then we say echo variable A greater than variable B. Here, variable A greater than variable B. Is it true? No, it's not true because variable A is less than. So here we are expecting to see false. because A is not greater than B. If we come to less than, we do the same thing. Variable A assigned value 5 and variable B assigned value 6. Then we will come equal variable A less than variable B. 5 is less than 6. So here we are expecting to see true. We come to greater than. So I can just copy this on here. Greater than or equal to. Then I have this one for less than or equal to. So here, greater than or equal to, this is false because A is not greater than 6 and it's not equal to 6. But if I put here 6, it means A, it's not greater than 6, but A is equal to B. So A is not greater than B, but A is equal to B. That means A is greater than or equal to B. It's true. So there we are expecting true. Then for this one here, anytime you see this red line here, ukiona red line imetokea, just know PHP is complaining on a mistake you have done. Like here you can see this true word here. I was supposed to put the double forward slash so that it can become a comment. Comment, we say it's a line that does not execute, but we use it to explain our lines of code. So that one will be true. This one, A is less than 6. Yes, it's less than, but not equal to. Meaning, but it will be true. It's less than already. Under increment and decrement, we talk of pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, and post-decrement. We plus, then variable x. This one we call it pre-increment. Then variable x plus, we call it post-increment. Then minus variable x, we call it pre-decrement. Variable x minus post-decrement. So by pre-increment, variable x, we assign it to value 5. Then after that, we say echo plus variable x. So here we are expecting an output of 6. It increases the value by 1 before using it. So here we are saying we increase first, then we use it or we store it. So if we are increasing first, so we add 1. We are adding that 1 to variable x. So we'll be getting 6 as the answer. So it will appear like this. It's the same as saying 1 plus variable x now is equals to variable x. So 1 plus variable x is storing a value 5. So 1 plus 5 becomes 6. Another example, variable x or variable y, it's not a must x, can be having even y, is 10. Then echo plus variable y. So here we are saying this one is the same as saying 1 you add variable y, and we are expecting the answer to be y has 10. So 1 plus 10, 11. That's the answer we are expecting. You see, our 6 here and our 11. Then we come to post increment. Under post increment, here we talk of increases the value by 1 after using it. So after using that value, increase by 1. So if we give an example, variable x equals to 5, then we echo variable x plus. So here it will first use the variable, then it will increment after. It will first use the 5. Then later it's when it will add. Same as saying like this. You take variable x. Now you first take variable x. Output first it will be variable x. Then x becomes 6. Then x. And it will become now 6. If you start using 5, then it will add. So first we use the variable, then it adds. That is post increment. Echo. I need now it echoes variable x. Here I'm expecting 5 as the answer. And here I'm expecting 6. This one, it's just utilizing the value first, then it increases later. 5 and 6. Because it usually, under pre-decrement, we talk of decreasing or decreases the value by 1 before using it. For x, we assign it 5, echo, minus variable x. Here, it's the same as saying, take variable x, you minus first 1, then you store the remaining. So we are expecting answer to be 4 because it first subtracts 1 from the variable before storing it or utilizing it. Then we come to post decrement. We talk of decreases the value by 1 after using it. We have a variable a assigned value 5. We echo variable x minus. What we are expecting as the answer is 5. We echo variable x. So that I need to see what variable x should be having. It will store 5 at first. But after using that 5, it's supposed to deduct 1. So it will remain with 4. Come to browser. So we are having, ukiangalia imechukua the previous value. Let us change x to y. Let us change this to b. And we change this to b. And this one also to b. Yeah, that's all.